you are a student who is studying in class 5th to 10th, or a parent whose child is fascinated by space, planets, and rockets, then this might be definitely you should hear. Today, millions of students are curious about space. They watch rocket launches, science fiction movies, and ask curious questions about space. But the reality is, most of the school don't even teach space science, so the students who dream about it don't know where to actually start. That's why Propagation is bringing a new initiative called Propagation School of Space Science, where students can learn about space science without disturbing their regular classes, which include rocket science, like how rocket actually works, and astrophysics, cosmology, and astronomy. It tells how the universe started and how it will gonna be end. So this would gonna be a golden opportunity for you, because at Propagation School of Space Science we teach live interactive session, hand-on activities, and even scientific talks where students can directly interact with scientists. They will also have tests, PTMs, which make it a proper learning scientific platform. So, if you are someone who is interested to learn about universe, or someone whose kid is keep asking questions about space, then comment interested in the comment box and book a free career counseling session and explore how they can start their journey toward becoming a future space scientist.